everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with Apple to unveil new iPhone SE with Face ID and AI features. OpenAI expands ChatGPT search to everyone, no account required. Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra launches with AI features and Snapdragon 8 Elite. Elon Musk Grok AI expands to Android users via Google Play Store. Google Pixel 9a set to launch in March with free subscription perks. Apple unveils AI-driven tabletop robot with human-like movements. EK Mobile and KPIT Technology partner to advance electric powertrain solutions. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you who is the founder of Canva, and the answer is Melanie Perkins. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what is the full form of HTTP? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Apple is set to launch a long-anticipated revamp of its iPhone SE in the coming days, modernizing its budget-friendly model. According to industry insiders, Apple will announce the device as early as next week, with sales beginning later in the month. Unlike previous releases, the company is unlikely to hold a launch event, opting instead of an online reveal. The new iPhone SE will resemble the iPhone 14, featuring Face ID and Apple Intelligence. Apple's AI software. The update will also phase out the traditional home button, making all iPhones uniform in design. The device will also introduce a USB-C charging port to comply with EU regulations. Reports indicate that inventory for the current iPhone SE is running low, signaling the imminent launch of the new model. Apple aims to boost sales with this release, particularly in markets like China and India, where a mid-range phone with premium features could attract new customers. The iPhone SE refresh is a part of broader lineup overhaul expected this year. Now, OpenAI has announced that its ChatGPT search feature is now accessible for everyone, eliminating the need for users to sign up for an account. The expansion revealed on X allows individuals worldwide to utilize the AI-powered search tool for real-time web information. Initially launched in November 2024 for paid subscribers, the feature was extended to free tier users in December. Now, even unregistered users can access it without restriction. ChatGPT search integrates real-time web browsing, attached by a global icon next to the file button. Users can activate it manually to fetch information. Transparency is maintained through clickable sources link in response and a reference list at the bottom. OpenAI has imposed no rate limits on unregistered users, ensuring unrestricted access. Meanwhile, India's finance ministry has advised users against using AI tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek for official work due to concerns over data confidentiality. Now, Asus has unveiled its latest flagship, the Zenfone 12 Ultra, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The new design brings AI-driven features, cloud-based processing, and on-device intelligence while maintaining a lightweight design. The Zenfone 12 Ultra features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1600 nits. It retains a matte black glass and IP68 rated water and dust resistant. Now, the phone boasts a powerful camera setup including a 50MP Sony Litia 700 primary sensor with a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer and a 32MP telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom and 13MP ultra-wide lens. Along with it is equipped with 5500 mAh battery supporting 65 wired and 15-watt wireless charging. The Zenfone 12 Ultra is now available in Europe, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. And we have Elon Musk Grok AI app, which debuted on the Apple App Store last month, is now available for pre-registration on the Google Play Store for selected Android users. The generative AI application is expected to roll out widely this month. Grok AI is designated to summarize web pages, translate languages, assist writers with creative content, and generate poems and limericks. It also supports developers by aiding in code and researchers by scanning the internet for reliable information. Additionally, it can create synthetic images based on text description. The AI tool will now be available for free with limited features on X. However, users looking for advanced capabilities must subscribe to the X Premium Plus plan, which costs Rs 1,750 per month and 18,300 annually in India. In related news, Amazon is set to introduce an upgraded Alexa digital assistant along with generative AI capabilities later this month, aiming to compete with Google Gemini AI and OpenAI ChatGPT. Now, Google's upcoming Pixel 9a is set to launch in March Coinciding with the release of Apple's iPhone SE 4, the budget-friendly smartphone will come with added incentives including free subscription to selected Google services. According to reports, Pixel 9a buyers will receive 6 months of Fitbit Premium, 3 months of YouTube Premium, and 3 months of Google One. This aligns with the perks offered by others' Pixel 9 series model. The Pixel 9a is expected to feature Google's Tensor Gen 4 processor up to 8 GB RAM and Titan M2 security chip. Its camera will likely include 48MP primary sensor, 13MP ultra-wide lens. The device is also rumored to house 5100 mAh battery with 23-watt wired and 7.5-watt wireless charging. With IP68 for water and dust resistant, the Pixel 9a is poised to compete in the mid-range market, offering a balance of affordability and performance. Now, Apple has showcased a prototype robot designed to move in a human-like manner, enhanced for user interaction. A short video and a 12-page research paper for Apple machine learning research detail the robot's fluid movements designed under the elegant framework. Now, the robot resembling a lamp draws comparison to Pixar's Luxo Jr. It uses gestures for control, such as waving to bright the light closer or pointing to adjust focus. The AI-driven system also enables contextual action like checking the weather by looking out of the window. Apple's research suggests that expression-driven robotic movements significantly boost user interaction, particularly in social interaction. Speculations about Apple's robotics work dates back to 2024, with reports suggesting a commercial release by 2026 or 27, with around $10,000. The project signals Apple's deeper interest in AI-driven hardware, potentially marking the beginning of a new era in consumer robotics. Now, EKA Mobility, a leader in sustainable transportation, has partnered with KPIT Technology to develop cutting-edge electric powertrain components for commercial electric vehicles in India. The collaboration aims to set new benchmarks in efficiency, performance, and sustainability for the sector. Under the Memorandum of Understanding, the two companies will work on advanced systems, including traction motors, controllers, vehicle control units, and battery management system. Tailored for EKA's range of electric buses and commercial vehicles, KPIT Technology, leveraging its 3 decades of expertise, will contribute indigenously. Developed electric powertrain innovation, Dr. Sudhir Mehta, chairman of EKA Mobility, emphasized the partnership's role in accelerating India's transition to zero-emission vehicle. KPIT Technology CEO Kishore Patel highlighted the growing global demand for clean mobility and the potential for widespread EV adoption in India. This collaboration aligns with India's push for sustainable transport solution and is expected to drive significant advancement in the country's electric vehicle ecosystem. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.